Hey guys, AI vlogs are taking over the internet now, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI vlogs. Just check out this video.
I just bought a fresh fish
From a beaver.
with 3 pine cones and emotional manipulation. Let's cook, baby.
She escaped, like all my past relationships. But this time, I fought for her with teeth and heart.
This is Gerald. He lived a good life, ate a lot of worms. Now I'm filleting him with my late uncle's butter knife. Forest to table, baby.
Crispy outside. Blender inside. Me.
Now this can be classified as the animal niche that I do talk about. If you notice, one of the easily growing channels are more of animal videos. I kid you not. Now go to YouTube, go and search for this particular name called Bigfoot. You see a lot of videos here about this Bigfoot and it is thriving. The same thing with TikTok and Instagram. Now let me give you a shocking, realistic story. Go to video section. I found this particular channel called The World According to AI. Now take a look at this channel. I want you to spot something. They have posted 75 videos and they have gotten 182k subscribers. Now going further, this channel have gotten over 10 million views. And let me shock you, this channel was actually not into this particular content, but it has to switch. After seeing that this particular video is thriving on YouTube, this channel have to switch. Go to oldest. Now you will see the kind of content that this particular channel we were posting before, and it wasn't giving this channel the views that he or she wants. Okay, now he started posting this Bigfoot vlog since 3 weeks ago, and come and see the views. Now, he normally gets 5,000, 4,000 views, but when he started posting this Bigfoot, he started getting 200 and something K views, 445k views, and this channel posts on long form video section. Can I convince you that if you start this particular video content, you're gonna be cashing out in the next 6 months, and I am here to carry you through on how to come about this particular vlog. Grab your cup of tea. Now, because I don't want you to overstress yourself in getting the kind of prompt that will suit this particular video, I have already prepared a prompt for you that is suitable for this, okay? Now go to my Google Docs. You have access to these Google Docs on my WhatsApp channel and on my Telegram channel, all right, which will be on the description bar of this particular video. Okay, now this is it. You have to copy this particular prompt first. Act as a creative comedy writer, copy it and go ahead and paste it on ChatGPT. Now that ChatGPT has given us the video idea, the next thing is to create different scenes using our Google VEO 3. Just go back to my Google Docs just this way. You will see this prompt, ask a cinematic video prompt writer and so on. Now come to this place, remove this thing. I say you should copy and paste the title of the idea you want to develop. All right. Clear this. Paste that particular title, copy and paste it here, just this way. Okay, break it down into 10 short cinematic section for each scene. Now copy this prompt just this way and then head over to ChatGPT again. Go ahead and paste it here. Now ChatGPT will start creating different scenes for us. You'll see waking up cold and pantless. Okay, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. This is the easiest video to create, scene 6 and so on. Now that you have gotten your scenes, the next stage is to go to VEO 3. You can use the flow aspect of it, and you can just use the VEO 3 AI video generator, just as you can see here, but I'm going to go with the flow. Now Google VEO 3 is an amazing AI tool that is breaking the internet now. Once you launch the flow aspect of this VEO 3, click on sign in with Google, just this way. You sign in with your email. Now for the contest, I want to tell you something about this Google VEO 3. They will give you access to their website for good 1 month for you to generate video for free, and after that they will ask you to upgrade. And you guys know there is a way to go around this. Okay, see all their plans. Let me show you their plans. Now you can see as a starter they will give you free 1 month. just for free. Now if you want to subscribe in our own currency, they will charge you 179,000 naira. Okay, they are on promo now, I guess, and this is their main price, 359,000 naira. Okay, now before you can be able to go further, you have to click on Get AI Pro, this one that they are giving 1 month free, and then you add your card details. And as soon as maybe you are done with what you are doing, you can go ahead and remove your card details. They are not going to charge you. Okay, now let's go and create our video. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste the first scene here. Paste it just this way. Now go to this up here. You see this 3 line or 4 line. Now select, scroll down here, select this particular one, text to video, better audio, select that one. All right, look at what I will do. Delete all this video description, camera perspective, delete it, the setting environment and all that. Delete the spoken dialogue, voiceover, those titles, delete them and hit generate. Let's wait our video to generate. Just in a couple of seconds it will be generated. Listen, if you want to come up with an interesting story, please, you can just think on your own and get an interesting story and tell ChatGPT to use the same format that is on my Google Docs, which is on my WhatsApp channel and on my Telegram channel, to generate your own scenes. Okay, it mustn't be my own ideas. You can as well get yours. You twist it until you get interesting scenes that you like. All right, now here is our video here. Let me play it. Look at
This is how you grill in the wild. No gas, no foil, just trauma and dying. Smells like healing.
Now I have a lot of generations here. Let me show you. This is how you keep generating until you get what you want. Okay, now going down, you see when this Bigfoot was cutting the fish,
Lived a good life.
just this way.
Now I'm filleting him with my late uncle's butter knife. Forest to table, baby.
You see it. Now let me go down. Now this is the perfect one for me here. Okay, now after you are done generating all the scenes, the next part is to edit it, where we have to merge it together. And as you all know, I'm going to use my favorite app, which is CapCut. Let's head over to CapCut. Now this is our CapCut. You go ahead and import those clips, bring them to this time frame, click on import. As soon as you bring them here, you add them here one after the other. Click on add here, it will add. Now keep adding them according to their scenes. The scene 1, the scene 2 comes second, the scene 3 comes third, just like that. Now this is it. As soon as you are done, the editing part is not shh. Now this is it. As soon as you are done, the editing part is not hard at all. Just go ahead and add transition effect. Just go ahead and add transition effects. Okay, click on transition here. Now you can just choose mix. Okay, download it and drag it to the center there, just here. Just like this. Now let's play it so that you can see how it plays.
I just bought a fresh fish. A beaver. 3 pine cones and emotional manipulation. Let's cook, baby. She escaped, like all my past relationships. But this time, I fought for her with teeth. This is Gerald. He lived a
Okay, now you keep dragging this mix, putting them at the center of each joining. Okay, now you can go ahead and raise the volume a bit. Each one, raise the volume a bit, but if you don't want, you can leave it. If the volume is too loud, raise it small. Each one you raise it small. As soon as you are done, you export your video. Now create your channel and start posting. Please be consistent when you are posting this kind of content. Within 6 months, I bet you will get monetized. All right, keep pushing. See you guys in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I did have my course that is coming up, and I know that you will have access to this my course. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
I just bought a fresh fish from a beaver with 3 pine cones and emotional manipulation. Let's cook, baby.
She escaped, like all my past relationships. But this time, I fought for her with teeth and heart.
This is Gerald. He lived a good life, ate a lot of worms. Now I'm filleting him with my late uncle's butter knife. Forest to table, baby.
Crispy outside. Tender inside.